Hank here from KegWorks. As we wrap up Tiki month at KegWorks, we want to share another classic Tiki drink with you. The Painkiller was created in the 70s at the Soggy Dollar Bar and was later trademarked by Pusser's rum. Let's get started. To a shaker tin, add 2 ounces of Pusser's rum, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce of orange juice, and 1 ounce of cream of coconut. Fill your shaker tin with ice and then shake until chilled. Then pour the cocktail into your glass. Finally, garnish with plenty of nutmeg, then enjoy. The Painkiller is a similar drink to the Pina Colada, but is more balanced and allows the rum to shine through as the dominant flavor. Make sure to check out KegWorks.com to shop our selection of cocktail ingredients, drinkware, bar tools, and more. Cheers!